If you've got this problem here of your Minecraft multiplayer being disabled, then I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Quickly, if you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. So the first thing you need to do is go and quit Minecraft. Then after you quit it, what you'll need to do is go and open up a browser. So personally, I use Google Chrome, but you can use any you like, and then go to a search engine and go and search for Microsoft just like so. Then what you'll need to do is scroll down just like this and go to the official website, which is Microsoft.com, or alternatively you can just go directly there. So essentially your Minecraft multiplayer is disabled due to a privacy setting in your Microsoft settings. So I'll show you how you can go and change that. What you'll need to do is firstly go and sign in to your Microsoft account, which you go and use for Minecraft. So go to the top right of Microsoft.com and tap on sign in. After signing in, you'll then need to go to the top right and just go and tap on your name and profile like so, and then tap on my Microsoft account. After it's loaded, you'll then need to go to the top left and go and tap on your info like this, and then you'll be on your profile page. What's important to note though is I'm pretty sure you need to be at least 18 to go and change these settings. So what you'll need to do is make sure your date of birth is correct here, because you may have set it incorrectly and you are actually over 18. To go and change it, all you need to do is tap on date of birth, and you can then go and correct it if it's incorrect. Anyways, then what you'll need to do is scroll down if you're over 18 and tap on Xbox profile. If you're under 18, when you go and tap on privacy settings on your Xbox profile, it's not going to go and take you anywhere. You'll just be taken to a page which says you're too young or something like that. But if you're over 18, you'll be taken to this page here. And then what you'll need to do is come to this middle option here, which is sort of Xbox and Windows 10 devices, online safety. Click there. And what you'll need to do is make sure you can play with players outside of Xbox Live, and also share outside of Xbox Live, and join multiplayer games. I recommend just enabling most of these, because sometimes one of them may sort of disrupt your experience, and then tap submit as well to go and save it. And you may need to go and make some changes on the privacy page as well. So yeah, basically make sure most things are set to allow, which you want, and that should be okay. Then once you've made those changes, we can now go back to Minecraft and multiplayer should be working. And just before we launch Minecraft, it may be worth just signing out of Minecraft and signing back in. To do that, go to the top left like so, and then press log out, and then we can go and sign back in with our Microsoft account. This just refreshes everything and should make sure the settings are up to date and that multiplayer is now enabled. And that should be it. Go and tap on play and your multiplayer should now be enabled. If you guys found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.